Hello, my twinkling dancers. Today I'm drawing Bluey dancing with joy and sparkle. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a happy story about her big dance day. Before we start, tap the like button kindly, so Bluey's paws can dance even faster. Bluey wakes up with a wiggle. Her tail swishes left and right. Bingo hops out of bed. She spins like a top. "Let's dance today," says Bluey, her eyes full of excitement. If you love dancing too, press like to start the rhythm rolling. They hurry to the living room. The sunshine glows bright. Dad plays a tune on his phone. The beat goes boom and tap. "Let's dance together," says Dad. His tail shakes funny. Tap the like button if you're ready to groove with them. Bluey starts with tiny steps. Her paws move side to side. Bingo claps along. Her giggles fill the room. "Nice moves, Bluey," says Dad, smiling wide. If that made you smile too, press like for Bluey's cool steps. The music gets faster. Bluey jumps and twirls. Bingo hops beside her. Her ears bounce up and down. "Let's make it a dance contest," says Dad playfully. Give the video a like to cheer for the best dancer in town. Bluey spins in circles. Her cape of joy flies high. Bingo laughs so loud, she almost falls on the rug. "Careful, Bingo," says Dad, still laughing. Tap like if you've ever danced until you giggled too. Now it's Dad's turn. He shakes his paws in the air. Bluey and Bingo stare, then burst into laughter. "Dad, your dance is super silly," says Bluey. If you think so too, press like for the silliest dancer ever. The beat slows down. The music turns soft and calm. Bluey and Bingo sway slowly, their movements sweet and light. "Let's make it a friendship dance," says Bluey warmly. Give a happy like to keep the friendship rhythm alive. They hold paws and spin, their hearts full of joy. Dad joins and twirls them both. The room feels magical. "Best dance ever," says Bingo softly. Tap like if you want to dance with them too. The song ends gently. Everyone claps together. Bluey bows with a smile. Bingo hugs her tight. Dad smiles proudly. "You both were amazing." Before the lights go out, press like to save this dancing memory. The night comes peacefully. The stars sparkle bright. Bluey yawns and whispers, "I'll dream of more dances tonight." Bingo nods sleepily. "Let's dance again tomorrow." Good night, my little dancers. Don't forget to like and twirl sweet dreams tonight.